Hi, it's Sam Manor from Little's Travel Straight. Today we're in Blacktown at Top Secret. These guys do all the imports. Today we're working on a 1971 Phantom Rolls Royce. Check it out, have a look at this. You want to put that on your car, eh? Rolls Royce. So we're not doing anchor points today, we're actually putting in seat belts. So come and have a look. He had original seat belts in them, they were just a khaki sort of tan colour. So we decided to go with the beige. Not only we've gone with the beige, but we're also in the front with aviation buckles. So it's not just your standard buckles, because that looks a bit tacky, especially in a Rolls Royce. But we had to use, you just want a normal seatbelt webbing. So have a look at this. So we've got the standard webbing seatbelts, okay, for the front with the static lap sash. With these here on the aviation buckles, so if you want to bring it over here and have a look at this, you can see this here with the aviation, makes it easy to release. The only thing is with the aviation buckles, you can't hang them up, and that's the downfall with them. But as far as like quick release, suiting the car itself, absolutely spot on. The color matches the car, especially when you've got velour in the back. So come and have a look at this. And I mean, this is fit for the Queen, okay? She probably rode in it, who knows? Okay, so it is an import. So we've got the lap belts in the back. You didn't want any statics in the back. It is like a limousine in here. So the two lap belts in the back with the aviation buckles. Job is well done. I'm Sam. I hope this has been helpful. So if you've got a Rolls Royce or any classic car, call Sam at Little's and I'll come around and help you out.